I'm Tommy Lawrence, work for TCU Consulting Services out of Montgomery, Alabama. I'm Program Director. As a Program Director, I'm directly representing the owner. We have several clients ranging from K through 12 schools, universities, county and city projects. So we were able to offer owners the capabilities to review the documents, review the contracts, go all the way from the planning stage all the way to lock and key, end of construction, warranty period, the whole 9 yards. At present, in the 4 years that I've been with the company, we have 79 projects. It's probably a total of around $500 million worth of work. Ken Upchurch, one of the owners of the company, recognized that with the growth potential that we saw immediately, I mean, when we first began the company, we started out with a detention facility, a $60 million detention facility, and the potential for about $300 million worth of work with the school system there in the area. It was going to be impossible to manage the amount of paperwork that was going to be necessary to go through those projects. And we needed a means to do that, do it effectively, do it so that it was transparent, keep the owner informed of everything that's going on, keep the contractor informed, keep the architect informed. It was very apparent that it was exactly what we needed to do the amount of work that we foresaw in the near future. And it has worked out to be the only way we could have handled the amount of documents, all the communication, paperwork that took place. The transparency to me is the greatest aspect of it. Just being able to see what's going on in the project without anyone having to send them a letter or make a phone call. They're able to just get a snapshot, an immediate snapshot of what's going on in that project. The main focus is no surprises to our owners. We don't want anyone having to react. We always want to be proactive on every project. We try to foresee what any problems, any situations that are going to come up. And eBuilder helps us to keep them appraised of everything that's going on. We use eBuilder to formulate our monthly reports that we present to the owners, and it just gives us that means, fast access, immediate access with all the documentation so that we can provide them the information they need. We have had disputes arise, as you do in any project, and because we're able to document it so well in the documents folders, in our forms, our processes, it just makes everything so immediate. I used to be a big paper holder. When you really needed a document, it was a process of digging through all of that and finding the particular document that you really needed at any moment. Some of our owners will call, need an immediate response. You know, they're in a budget meeting and they need to know exactly where a project is at any given time. And you could get that call at any day of the week, any hour of the day, and to be able to go immediately to eBuilder, and with a couple of clicks I can pull up budget spreadsheet, I can pull up anything that I need, any particular document. I can find it so very quickly and present that to them, and within 5 minutes I'm usually calling them back, or if they're sitting there holding hold, I can tell them the information that they need. eBuilder support is outstanding, and one of the things that I do tell all of our users during training sessions and so forth, that you're always going to get an answer. It may not sometimes be an immediate, it may be a difficult thing that they're having to deal with, but you always get a response. You get a response quickly. It's always done professionally and pleasantly. Everyone that I have associated with eBuilder has just been one of the best selling points that I think you have is the staff that works for eBuilder.